Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your audio and removing simple problems so transcription works well. First, confirm the file format, WAV, MP3, or M4A, and convert if the tool requires it. Then trim silence and apply a basic noise reduction or high-pass filter to raise clarity. This improves word detection. Once done, note the sample rate. Use 16 kHz or higher for conversational speech. Finally, upload the cleaned file to your chosen transcription service and pick the language so the process can begin. You now choose the transcription engine and set options that affect accuracy and output. Pick a model suited to your content, general for meetings, specialized for medical or legal terms because vocabulary matters. Make sure to enable timestamps and speaker diarization if you need who said what, and turn on confidence scoring so you can spot shaky words. For long recordings, split the file into 10 to 15-minute chunks to prevent timeouts and improve alignment. Then, run the transcription and monitor progress. You finish by carefully reviewing and exporting a clean transcript. Walk through timestamps and correct homophones, punctuation, and speaker labels where confidence was low. Doing this improves readability and downstream use. Export in the format you need, TXT for raw text, SRT for subtitles, or DocX for editing, and keep a copy with timestamps. If things go wrong, try reprocessing, apply stronger noise reduction, split problematic sections, or switch to a specialized model. This troubleshooting tip often fixes persistent errors without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.